there, beautiful people. It's Shower here, and welcome back to the channel. But most importantly, welcome back to the Best You Project 21 Day Challenge. I'm so proud of you for making it to yet another day. You can follow along with us either with the free PDF printable template that you can use, write things down, or you can purchase our Notion template, which is going to help you to create all of the systems that you need. I'm going to leave the links for you to get them down below. And also, do not forget that we have a Telegram group where you can ask questions, where you can just stay motivated with other people that are taking the challenge like you. So yeah, guys, let us get on to what we have for today. Hello there. So welcome to day 9 of the Best You Project 21 Day Challenge. I'm so proud of you for making it to yet another day. Congratulations. Okay, so as you can tell from the title of this video, today we're going to be creating our 12-week goals. Okay, because as I said last week, we are not looking at 2025 as 1 year. 2025 is 4 years for us. Okay, because we're going to be planning quarterly. Okay, so everything that we're going to be doing, all the goals that we're going to be achieving in 2025 are only going to be achieved in 12 weeks. Okay, so because of this, we have to ensure that the goals that we set last week, the project goals that we set last week, they are things that we can actually achieve within 12 weeks. Okay, we are not going to be going too deep into the future. We're not going to be planning too deep into the future. Okay, we already have our long-term version that we did on day 4, I believe, or someday. And what we have to focus on right now is the thing that we can do and achieve before Q1 ends. Okay, so that it can just give us a boost and just make us feel like, oh yeah, we have accomplished something. Okay, so we want to make sure that it is a realistic thing that we can achieve within 12 weeks, and we can also make sure that it's not too hard, or if it's too easy, maybe we can add something, we can increase the number, or we can do something to just make it fit the 12-week year system. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing now. So of course you want to go through all the lists that you have. Okay, so the project goals that you have for your long-term vision, look at it and be like, okay, is this really realistic for me to be able to achieve within 12 weeks? Okay, your due long-term vision, you want to do the same thing as well. You can just go to ChatGPT, just ask it, okay, is this possible for me to achieve? Like, what are the things that I need to and it's just going to give you so many things for you to think about. So you can just brainstorm this with ChatGPT. So this is it. So as you can see, this is your have and this is your do. So you just want to write it down. So if you do not want to take these basic rules and you want to make it more systemized, you can use our Notion template, and I'm going to be showing you how exactly how you can do this with our Notion template. Okay guys, so just open up the template, and this is what you're going to see in the template. So just click on the day 9, which is refine your 12-week year goals. Okay, so as you can see now here, as I said before, once you add anything, it's just going to automatically populate. So as you can see here, we have all our goals divided into the life area. So we have for career, finances, health, and personal growth. So yeah, that is that. So achieve 5 million in revenue. Okay, so if you can see this now, is it possible for you to achieve this in 12 weeks? Okay, so if you have the number, if it's possible, then that's wonderful. But if it's not, then you can reduce it. Okay, so as you can see, once you click on the ChatGPT prompt here, we have this prompt that has just been created for you to put in ChatGPT so that it will give you the best possible results. Okay, so we're just going to put this here. So this is our goal, right? Achieve 5 million in revenue. So we're just going to copy and paste this, and then we're going to put it here. Then we're going to take this over to ChatGPT to see what ChatGPT has for us. Okay, so as you can see now here, it's just giving you things for you to just think about all of the time. So as you can see, it's earn 5 million in revenue by the end of 12 weeks. Okay, so this is the goal that we have. Okay, so it's just going to give you so many things for you to think about concerning this goal, and it's just really cool. Okay, so you can time bound, okay, accountability, okay, realistic stretch, okay, stated positively, all of that. So yeah, that is just what it's going to be. So as you can see, it's even asking you, would you like help creating a more detailed weekly background breakdown? ChatGPT and planning is going to help you a lot. Okay, so as you can see, you just want to keep this in mind, or you can even copy it, copy and paste it, and then just keep it here. So all of the details are here. So if you do not want everything to be showing up here because it's kind of annoying, you can just turn this into a toggle list. Just turn it into a toggle list 1, heading 1. So it's going to add everything here, and then you can now later turn it back into a normal toggle list. Yeah, guys, this is it. So you have your refined plan for achieving 5 million in revenue. So just want to give you things to just think about. Okay, because we want to make sure that it's something that we can actually do within 12 weeks. Okay, so okay, once you check it, okay, it has told you to review your revenue streams. Okay, so do I think I can actually do this? So yeah, guys, that is just basically that is basically all you want to do. So you just want to go through all of the goals that you set for yourself, make sure that they would fit the 12-week plan. Okay, we are not planning too long into the future for our project goals. No, we are going to make sure that we hit all our project goals by the end of Q1. Okay, because it just makes it more realistic for you. Okay, you can see the end from the start. Okay, because when you're thinking, oh, from now up until December next year, I want to plan for that. No, no. But if you plan, okay, from now to March, okay, from January to March, when you have a tighter timeline to work with, it just makes you look at things more realistically, and also make sure that you are planning accurately and you're not planning with that fallacy. And it's also going to keep you accountable, okay, because you know that you have literally just 12 weeks. So you have to plan, okay, every week, what am I doing to get this goal? What am I going to, and what am I doing to achieve this goal? Okay, and this prompt that I've shown you will just help you to just think of ways that you can actually achieve the goal, and if you can review it further and all of that. Okay, so all right, guys, that is that for today's activity. I'm so proud of you for making it to the end of this video, and I really do hope that this activity really helps you to just get clear on your goals. So yeah, guys, see you tomorrow for day 10.